Today we'll be doing my crosswalk experience Milwaukee Avenue and Beltree Street. Weird. This button does click too. What? So the green light's still on and the lock sign doesn't turn on for a while. So you know what? It's over. Oh, so the yellow light just turned on and we're gonna wait until the green light turns in. Hold on. Look, all of this all over town, but no, we're gonna cross the street from Milwaukee Avenue and Beltree Street. So they're gonna wait here. So the walk sign's on now. Alright, now we'll be crossing Beltree Street. Beltree is going to be on the button on the left. So this one has a clicky button here, and the other one is just the Econo light button, which they have here. But yeah, we're gonna wait here just a second. Yellow light right here, and now the light will turn red now. There you go, and the walk sign's on. And that is my crosswalk button experience in Milwaukee Avenue and Beltree Street.